Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to set up price alerts on crypto.com. So let's get started. Number 1, open the crypto.com app. Launch the crypto.com app on your mobile device and log into your account. Number 2, navigate to the market section. Tap on the markets tab at the bottom of the screen to view available cryptocurrencies. Number 3, select the cryptocurrency. Find and tap on the cryptocurrency for which you want to set a price alert. Number 4, tap on Set Alert. On the cryptocurrency's detail page, look for the Set Alert option and tap on it. Number 5, enter price target. Specify the price level at which you want to be alerted and choose whether you want notifications for price increases or decreases. Number 6, save the alert. Review your settings and tap Save or Confirm to activate the price alert. By following these steps, you can quickly set up price alerts on crypto.com. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.